welcome to Showbruary episode 2!
That's my fucking intro, mate. What do you think you're fucking doing? So what if I stole your intro? I also stole your pee-pee. I am your pee-pee.
Hey man, can you do the fucking challenge already, man?
Okay, you fucking dick.
Hey man, don't call me a fucking dick.
You stole my line. You fucking...
Guys, don't you think you should, like, stop arguing?
No man! Shut up!
Oh no! You fucking killed him!
Ew, guys, if you were cool like me, you would know he's not dead. Right, I've got some man on you, and I know that's more. Oh, stop it then, fucking mate.
Wait, but how is the Scottish man able to talk? I thought you were that stupid.
Oh, hey! Squash him, man, you fucking Wait, you guys kept Bjorn Showbruary?
Oh, fuck! We did!
No! Babies! Someone he's on the show?
No, we started already. Guys, I would have you.
Shut up! Help, mate, you fucking British mate! Help me, mate! The fucking
Hold on. I want to co-host in the show. I did not get to host in show arc because of a certain someone who did not upload the fucking video.
Okay, just shut the fuck up. Anyway, the challenge is to save 2 guys. Please, save him. He's done it!
Okay, man, I'll get it! Wait!
Wonderful. And the winner is... Wait, who are you? I'm 6. And I'm, can I join the show? Whoa, you already started. Whatever, just put me on the chicken popcorn team or something. Yeah! We already watched that member! This is actually good! That means the other team's up for elimination! Yeah!